Hook. Have you ever woken up perplexed by a vivid dream and asked yourself, why do we dream? I know I have, and the answers might surprise you. Dreams have fascinated humans for thousands of years. They're part of our nightly ritual, happening during a mysterious phase of sleep known as REM, or rapid eye movement. But the big question remains, why do we dream? Is it just our brain's way of entertaining itself while we sleep, or is there something bigger going on? Let's start with history. Civilizations like those of ancient Mesopotamia considered dreams as divine messages from higher powers. Ancient Egyptians, for example, believed dreams were windows into the future or messages from gods. Freud, the father of psychoanalysis in the late 19th century, famously suggested dreams were manifestations of our repressed desires. His ideas sparked decades of scientific and pop cultural curiosity about what our dreams mean and why they exist. Now, when we sleep, our brain doesn't just switch off. Instead, it's incredibly active. During REM sleep, your body is paralyzed to prevent you from physically acting out these dreams. Meanwhile, your eyes dart rapidly back and forth beneath your eyelids, and your brain enters what's called a hyper-associative state. This is when neurons make bizarre, sometimes surreal connections, weaving together fragments of your experiences, thoughts, and emotions into what we call a dream. So let's tackle some contemporary theories. One popular theory is that dreams help us process emotions. Let's say you had a stressful day. Dreaming is believed to simulate scenarios in low-stress virtual environments, allowing us to face and make sense of emotionally charged experiences. This function might act as a kind of emotional detox, making us more psychologically prepared to face the world upon waking. But wait, there's more. Dreams might not just process emotional experiences, they may also improve problem-solving and creativity. Ever heard the phrase "sleep on it," used for making an important decision? It's not just an old saying. Science backs this up. When you're dreaming, your brain looks at the problems of your waking life as if it were playing a game of mix and match, piecing together seemingly unrelated elements to come up with creative solutions. Many breakthroughs in science and art have been attributed to dreams. Take Robert Louis Stevenson's Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, or even Einstein's groundbreaking theories. They were reportedly inspired by dreams. Another compelling theory focuses on memory consolidation. Think of sleep and REM stages as your brain's nighttime filing system. Everything you've learned, seen, or felt during the day gets sorted and stored. Dreams could be this system's outpost, organizing these memories while discarding irrelevant details, kind of like spring cleaning for your brain. But here's where things get even weirder. Some scientists argue that dreams serve no purpose at all. They see dreams as a byproduct of random neuron activity in the brainstem, with no significant cognitive role. One researcher describes this as the brain's screensaver mode. It's a provocative idea, isn't it? While less thrilling than emotional detox or problem-solving, this concept leaves plenty of room for debate. Beyond biological explanations lies an entirely different realm: cultural significance. Have you ever had a strange dream and Googled a symbolic meaning for it? Did you see a snake in your dream? To some, that's a sign of transformation. To others, it's an ominous warning. Cultures across history have used dreams for storytelling, religion, and even political decisions. Imagine shaping a kingdom's future based on what a king dreamed the night before, a fascinating, albeit terrifying thought. Let's not forget lucid dreams, the dreams where you become aware you're dreaming. Some people can even manipulate or control the storyline of their dreams, like the director of their nocturnal play. People with better metacognition, or awareness of their own thinking, appear to dream more lucidly. There are even methods, such as reality checks or meditation, that can train your mind to dream consciously. This blurs the line between imagination and reality, doesn't it? And then there are recurring dreams, the kind where you keep showing up to school without pants. Why do we experience those? Recurring dreams often signal unresolved psychological tension. Essentially, your brain keeps revisiting the same script because it feels you haven't learned the lesson or addressed the underlying issue the dream is presenting. Let's address those nightmares. We all probably have one recurring nightmare, or at least have had one at some point. Nightmares seem to act as our brain's alarm system. These vivid, often terrifying dreams bring unresolved fears to the forefront, likely so we can better deal with those anxieties while awake. Children tend to have nightmares more frequently than adults due to a less mature emotional regulation system. Interestingly, people who watch horror movies before bed tend to have more vivid dreams. Go figure. Scientists are even exploring the concept of shared dreams. Yes, this sounds very Inception, doesn't it? While scientifically unproven, anecdotes abound about people dreaming similar things at the same time, especially within families or close friends. This leads us to speculate about the interconnectedness of our subconscious minds, even forming an idea of collective dreaming. What if dreams connect us all on some metaphysical level? Finally, there's a fascinating phenomenon called dream deprivation. If deprived of REM sleep for long periods, people experience longer, more vivid dreams when normal sleep resumes. It's almost as if the brain compensates for lost dream time, a phenomenon scientists call REM rebound. So whatever dreams do, they're evidently important enough for the brain to prioritize when given the chance. Now let's end with a mind-bending thought experiment. If aliens observed humans and saw us voluntarily lying still for hours to hallucinate vividly and emotionally, wouldn't that strike them as utterly bizarre? Yet, dreams are one of life's quirkiest, most universal mysteries. They reflect our fears, hopes, and imaginations, all mixed together in a film reel of nocturnal narrative. Next time you wake up from an especially vivid dream, remember this: there's still no definitive answer for why we dream. Scientists might tell you it's about emotional processing, creativity, or random simulations, but the beauty lies in the mystery. Maybe dreams are simply a piece of magic our brains conjure up each night. So, what do you think? Share your most unusual dream experiences in the comments. It's amazing to realize how diverse and imaginative human dreams can be. Let's unravel this enigma one dream at a time.